Hey, food lovers! Today, we're taking a trip to Singapore, a vibrant island nation known for its incredible food scene. Get ready for a culinary adventure that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving for more. Singapore is a melting pot of cultures, and its cuisine is a reflection of this diversity. From Chinese and Malay to Indian and Peranakan influences, Singaporean food offers a unique and harmonious blend of flavors. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or simply looking to expand your palate, Singapore's culinary delights are sure to captivate you. So, loosen your belts, grab your chopsticks, and let's dive into the world of Singaporean food. Singapore's cuisine is a testament to its rich history and multicultural heritage. Over the centuries, immigrants from China, Malaysia, India, and other parts of the world have brought their culinary traditions to this island nation, creating a vibrant tapestry of flavors. The Chinese influence is evident in dishes like Hainanese chicken rice and Hokkien mee, while Malay flavors shine through in dishes like nasi lemak and satay. Indian spices add a touch of heat and complexity to curries and roti prata. This fusion of culinary influences has resulted in a unique and harmonious blend of tastes that is distinctly Singaporean. No culinary journey through Singapore is complete without savoring its national dish Hainanese chicken rice. This deceptively simple dish is a true testament to the art of culinary precision. Hainanese chicken rice features tender poached chicken served on a bed of fragrant rice cooked in chicken broth and ginger. The chicken is cooked to perfection, resulting in silky smooth skin and juicy meat. The rice, infused with the flavors of chicken, ginger, and garlic, is equally delicious. And don't forget the accompanying sauces: a spicy chili sauce, a ginger paste, and a sweet soy sauce that add another layer of flavor to this iconic dish. Seafood lovers, rejoice! If you have a penchant for the ocean's bounty, then you're in for a treat. Singapore is renowned for its fresh seafood, and one dish that truly stands out is chili crab. This iconic dish is a testament to the country's rich culinary heritage and its love for bold, vibrant flavors. This messy yet incredibly satisfying dish is a must-try for anyone visiting this culinary paradise. The experience of eating chili crab is as much about the flavors as it is about the communal joy of sharing a meal with friends and family. Chili crab typically features mud crabs stir-fried in a thick, savory, and slightly sweet tomato-based sauce. The crabs are chosen for their meaty claws and sweet flesh, which perfectly complement the robust sauce. The sauce is the heart of the dish, with a perfect balance of spiciness, tanginess, and a hint of sweetness. Ingredients like chili, garlic, and tomatoes are meticulously blended to create a sauce that is both complex and comforting. The crabs are cooked to perfection, with succulent meat that absorbs all the delicious flavors of the sauce. Each bite offers a burst of flavor, making it a truly unforgettable culinary experience. Be prepared to get your hands dirty as you crack open the crab claws and savor the sweet, tender meat inside. The act of breaking open the shells and digging into the meat is part of the fun and adds to the overall enjoyment of the meal. Don't forget to mop up the remaining sauce with some mantou, a true delight. These soft, pillowy buns are perfect for soaking up every last drop of the rich, flavorful sauce, ensuring that no part of this delectable dish goes to waste. Section 5. Laksa and Satay Flavorful Encounters. Singapore's culinary tapestry is woven with countless flavorful encounters, and two dishes that deserve special mention are laksa and satay. These dishes are not just meals, they are experiences that tell the story of Singapore's rich cultural heritage and its love for bold, vibrant flavors. Laksa, a spicy noodle soup, is a true sensory experience. The moment you take a bite, you're greeted with a burst of flavors that dance on your palate. It's a dish that combines the best of Malay and Chinese culinary traditions, making it a perfect representation of Singapore's multicultural identity. The rich and creamy coconut milk-based broth is infused with aromatic spices like lemongrass, galangal, and chili, creating a symphony of flavors. Each ingredient plays a crucial role in building the complex taste profile of laksa. The lemongrass adds a citrusy note, the galangal brings a hint of earthiness, and the chili provides the perfect amount of heat. Thick rice vermicelli noodles provide a satisfying base, while toppings like prawns, fish cakes, and cockles add texture and umami. The prawns offer a sweet, briny flavor, the fish cakes bring a chewy texture, and the cockles add a unique, slightly metallic taste that rounds out the dish. Satay, on the other hand, is a beloved street food item featuring grilled skewers of marinated meat. It's a dish that brings people together, often enjoyed at bustling night markets or family gatherings. The aroma of the grilling meat is enough to draw anyone in. The meat, typically chicken, beef, or mutton, is marinated in a blend of spices and grilled to perfection, resulting in smoky and flavorful skewers. The marinade usually includes ingredients like turmeric, coriander, and cumin, which give the meat its distinctive taste. Served with a side of peanut sauce, satay is a dish that offers a perfect balance of savory, sweet, and spicy flavors. Section 6. Hawker Centers, the heart of Singaporean food culture. No culinary adventure in Singapore is complete without experiencing the vibrant atmosphere of its hawker centers. These bustling hubs are more than just places to eat. They are a testament to the rich tapestry of Singapore's multicultural society. Here, food is not just sustenance, but a way of life, a daily ritual that brings people together. These open-air food courts are an integral part of Singaporean culture, offering a wide array of affordable and delicious food. From Hainanese chicken rice, a dish that has become synonymous with Singaporean cuisine, to the spicy and flavorful chili crab. Each stall offers a unique taste of the island's culinary heritage. And chili crab to laksa and satay, the variety is endless. Laksa, with its rich coconut broth and spicy kick, is a must-try, while satay, skewers of marinated meat grilled to perfection, offers a smoky, savory delight. Each dish tells a story, reflecting the diverse influences that have shaped Singaporean cuisine over the years. You'll find an incredible variety of dishes to satisfy your cravings. Whether you're in the mood for something light and refreshing or rich and hearty, there's something for everyone. The sheer diversity of food available is a testament to Singapore's status as a global melting pot. Hawker centers are a melting pot of cultures and backgrounds, where locals and tourists alike gather to enjoy good food and company. It's a place where you can see the true spirit of Singapore, a harmonious blend of different cultures coexisting and celebrating their shared love for food. The atmosphere is lively and communal, with the aroma of spices and sizzling food filling the air. The sounds of cooking, the chatter of diners, and the clinking of utensils create a symphony that is uniquely Singaporean. It's an experience that engages all your senses, making every visit memorable. Grab a table, order your favorite dishes from different stalls, and immerse yourself in the heart of Singaporean food culture. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned local, the Hawker Center experience is one that never gets old. It's a celebration of food, culture, and community, all in one vibrant, bustling space. Section 7. Food, a national obsession. Food is not just sustenance in Singapore, it's a national obsession. Singaporeans are passionate about their food, and it's a common topic of conversation, from discussing the best hawker stalls to sharing family recipes. Food plays a central role in Singaporean culture, bringing people together and fostering a sense of community. Family and friends often gather for meals at hawker centers, restaurants, or each other's homes, strengthening bonds over shared culinary experiences. Whether it's a casual breakfast at a local kopitiam or a celebratory feast at a fancy restaurant, food is an integral part of the Singaporean way of life. Section 8. Conclusion. Embark on a gastronomic journey. Singapore's food scene is a culinary adventure waiting to be explored. From the iconic Hainanese chicken rice and chili crab to the flavorful laksa and satay, there's a dish to tantalize every palate. The vibrant hawker centers, with their diverse offerings and lively atmosphere, are a must-visit for any food enthusiast. So, come hungry and prepare to be amazed by the incredible diversity and deliciousness of Singaporean cuisine. Your taste buds will thank you for it. Section 9. Call to action. Join the food adventure. So, what are you waiting for? Book your trip to Singapore and embark on an unforgettable culinary journey. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more exciting food adventures around the world. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on my latest food discoveries. Until next time, happy eating.